김가을 사랑해!
Encore, so we came back.
저희가 열심히 춤추는 걸 뒤에서 보고 있었는데 너무 잘 추더라고요.
I was watching Dive dancing from the back, and I have to say, you guys are really good.
오늘 밴쿠버에서 정말 좋은 추억을 만든 기분인데 이제 소감을 말해보러 들어가 보겠습니다.
Thanks to you guys, we feel like we made such special memories here in Vancouver. We're gonna have back and share final thoughts on tonight's show.
Oh, Ray's already there.
I'm already.
And we're wearing matching hoodie.